Is it the right time to buy or sell ARM Holdings plc stock? In this video, we'll be delving deeper into ARM Holdings plc. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 7, 2024, our system has ranked ARM Holdings plc as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During these past few days, ARM Holdings plc has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 49.6% since our initial recommendation to buy. This impressive growth translates to an average return of 16.53% per day since the stock was listed as hold/accumulate. With a score of 0, our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction. It could go either way. The stock has recently broken through a strong and wide rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of upward movement. If there is any pullback, there is now support at the previous trend's break level of $90.31, which could present a second opportunity for gains. Looking at the past 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential 42.66% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -9.39% to 11.82%. Our latest update on ARM Holdings plc brings an important headline: big movements in ARM Holdings plc stock price on Friday, with a 15.41% difference between the high and low. On the last trading day, Friday, February 9, 2024, the ARM Holdings plc stock price increased by 1.16%, going from $113.89 to $115.21. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the uptrend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price experienced a significant fluctuation of 15.41%, ranging from a low of $102.09 to a high of $117.82. In the past 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions, resulting in a remarkable 61.88% increase over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 58 million shares on the last day, with a total of 48 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.52 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $126.59, while the lowest price was $46.50. Currently, the price is 8.99% or $11.38 below the 52-week high of $126.59, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, Needham gave ARM a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Mizuho Securities rated ARM as a buy with a hold action. Bank of America Securities also rated ARM as a buy with a hold action on February 8, 2024. Similarly, Goldman Sachs gave ARM a buy grade with a hold action on that day. On Monday, November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo rated ARM as overweight with an initialize action. Analysts have given ARM Holdings plc stock a general rating of buy. They have rated the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's analyze the signals for ARM Holdings plc stock. The ARM Holdings plc stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a promising outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, the stock will find support at $84.84 and $74.70. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 1, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 63.37%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is reached. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average also shows a buy signal, which was generated 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal, which was generated 6 days ago. Now, let's consider the relation between the short and the long moving averages. It indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. If we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average is showing a buy signal, which was generated 6 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 61 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 54 days ago. For more signals and information, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for ARM Holdings plc. ARM Holdings plc has found support from accumulated volume at $113.89. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is being tested. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its significant volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, adding to the risk factor. In fact, just in the last day, the stock has moved $15.73 between its high and low points, which accounts for a 15.41% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 13.29%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for ARM Holdings plc, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio helps us understand how a company's current share price compares to its per-share earnings. In the case of ARM Holdings, the PE ratio is significantly high. This suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's important to note that it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with immense market potential to have such high ratios. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for ARM Holdings plc. We have an interesting situation here. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly, given the right conditions. This presents an opportunity for us to enter a position and use volume as an indicator for when to exit. However, it's important to consider the downside as well. ARM Holdings plc encounters its first support level at $113.89. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point for us, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock price. The combined average rating for ARM Holdings plc from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 16, 2011, Newland William conducted an insider buy of 4,500 shares of common stock. On February 16, 2011, Newland William conducted an insider sell of 4,500 shares of restricted share units. On February 16, 2011, Marley James E. conducted an insider buy of 4,500 shares of common stock. On February 16, 2011, Marley James E. conducted an insider sell of 4,500 shares of restricted share units. On February 16, 2011, Jackson Victoria B. conducted an insider buy of 4,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 487,812 shares and sold 89,504 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $111.96, which represents a decrease of 2.82%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn increases the level of risk involved. Additionally, the RSI 14 stands at 84, indicating a high level of risk. However, it is worth noting that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is ARM Holdings plc stock a good buy? ARM Holdings plc shows several positive signals, but we still don't believe it's enough to consider it a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be seen as a hold candidate, meaning you can continue to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, February 12, we anticipate ARM Holdings plc to open down by $3.50 and start trading at $111.71. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions when it comes to securities. It's also crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We want to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We hope you have successful trading and a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.